So we'll start. We were doing what? In our yesterday's class, we saw the functions of banks, right? And now we are supposed to move to money market, right? We have to see the meaning of money market and also the components of money market. Then after we'll look at the balance sheet of commercial banks. Okay, so we'll start with this money market. Okay, I'll share one screen with you here. ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಣದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ 1 year ವರ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ 1 year ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 year ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? Okay, as you all can see on your screen, money market, I think I gave you all the definition of it. See, you can see on your screen money market for okay, here I'll just find out the definition for you. Okay, in case if you haven't noted it down, you can note it down, the meaning of money market. Okay, so as we discussed in our yesterday's class, money market is a short-term fund. The borrowing and lending of short-term funds take place in a market for a 1 year of time, say. Okay, from overnight till 1 year, that is called as money market. So you can make a note of this definition, a proper definition. So money market can be defined as market for short-term funds with maturities ranging from overnight to 1 year and includes financial instruments. So this definition is not given here in this screen. You can please make a note of it. Okay, and if you want me to go slow, then you can tell me. So includes financial instruments that are considered to be close substitutes of money. Money market transactions could be both secured and unsecured, that is without collaterals as well as with collateral, right? I explained about the secured and unsecured thing in our yesterday's class. Now we have to look at the components of money market. So these are the components of money market. Money market instruments broadly are call money. We have call money. The other one is bill market. Third one is certificates of deposits. You can make a note of all these instruments, the components of money market. There are basically 4 components of money market. One is call money. The other one is bill market. The third one is certificates of deposits, and the fourth one is commercial paper. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಣದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು 1 year ವರ್ಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಲೋನ್ನ ಮನಿನ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಟು 1 year, right? and the instruments ಇದು components ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ call money, bill market, certificates of deposits, commercial papers. Till now it's clear. Now we'll look at each component, right, in depth. So here mostly you'll get a 6-mark question, okay, and not more than that. So under each component, first you can write the meaning of it, and then you can mention these 4 components, and then you can explain each of them, right? So we'll discuss what is call money. So call money is also called as notice money, right? You must remember that call money is also called as notice money. Idu note madbidi. Bookal barkod. Notice money. Call money or notice money is money borrowed for or lent. Money borrowed or lent for a very short period, right? Period is very important. See, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀನಿ, economics ಅಲ್ಲಿ period matters a lot, okay? Period can change things a lot. In long period things are different, short period alli things are different, okay? They may change according to the time period. So here it is short period, that is 1 year of time, okay? If the period is more than 1 day and up to 14 days, so 1 to 14 days idre ಏನು ಅದನ್ನ notice money ಅಂತೀವಿ. That is called as notice money. 1 to 14 days notice money. Otherwise it is call money, right? Otherwise the amount is known as call money, right? So 1 to 14 is notice money. This is notice money. Yes, Bhavata, are you making notes of all these things? Are you writing it down in your book?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm making it.
Okay. Okay, okay. So this is days we are talking about, okay? 1 to 14 days idre notice money antivi. 14 days inda hididu 1 year vargu idre aduna call money, okay? Aduna call money antivi. 14 days idu days, 1 year, right? So that is called as call money. This is call money, right? Yeah, one more point you should note down here is no collateral security is required to cover these transactions, and goodwill and reputation are the basis apart from the documents like promissory notes. So you don't need any collateral security. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು collateral ಬೇಡ, collateralದು ಏನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, okay? You just need a goodwill, reputation ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And some documents like promissory notes. Okay, that's it under this call money. We'll look at the other one, that is bill market. Iga bill market na nodan. Bill market. Actually, there's a lot of information given in this PDF. I'll just tell you all what you need, okay? What you need to make a note of and what you need to learn. You don't need so much of extra information. So just little bit like meaning and the components, and little bit note on one para of note on each component will be enough, okay? So call money ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್. ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಬಂದು ಇದು, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ bill market, okay? You must remember this is under bill market. Bill market. Okay, so treasury bills or T bills, in short, they can also be called as T bills, are short-term investment opportunity. So this is also investment opportunity. You can go and invest your money there. Generally up to 1 year. Time period is 1 year. See, basically, among all these components, what you will notice is there's a little bit difference in the time period. Some are of 14 days, yeah, some are of 1 year, some are of 7 days, like this. There'll be little bit difference on the time period, right? So T-bills are short-term investment opportunities, generally up to 1 year. They are thus useful in managing short-term liquidity. At present, you must remember, Government of India issues three types of treasury bills. So we have three types. Treasury bills ali three types in there. Those are, one is 91 days, the other one is 182 days. The other one is, third one is 364 days. So 91 days andre almost 3 months, right? 182 days andre 6 months. The other one 364 days andre almost 1 year, right? So these are the three types of bills. There are no treasury bills issued by state government. You can make a note of it also. This is actually issued by Government of India. That is central government only. No treasury bill is issued by state government, and state government do not issue these bills. Okay. Minimum amount andre treasury bills are available for minimum amount of rupees 25,000 in the eduthu and in multiples of 25,000. 25,000 multiples. Treasury bills are issued at discount and are redeemed at par. So what is the meaning of this? See, this is your treasury bill, supposing of say 25,000, right? So minimum amount is 25,000. 25,000, right? So this, this will be issued for say 25,000 kinta iದ್ರ value actually 25,000, but ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ government issue ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ, for lesser amount at discount they will issue you, right? And that is why you go and invest their money, right? Because you can make some profit out of it. This is how they do it. Like they can give you for say 20,000. Government of India will issue it for 20,000, right, to you, and then you can get 25,000 at its maturity, like 1 year time ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 year time ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 25,000 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, right? ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 20,000, but you can sell it back for 25,000 after 1 year. This is how you are making profit of it, right? So treasury bill is clear. Is this clear? We'll look at the second one. Now we have to look at commercial bills, right? Commercial bills. Yeah. Commercial bills. So this is, you must remember, this is again under what? Bill market. Okay. This is the component of a sub-component of bill market. Bill market sub-component. Right? So commercial bills. Bills of exchange are negotiable instruments drawn by seller of the goods or services on the buyer of the goods for the value of goods delivered. So you must remember this, ನಾವು ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನು ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಒಂದು ವೇ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ discounting of, sorry, the spelling is wrong here, discounting of bill ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್. So this is almost same like that. Okay, commercial bills. Commercial bills is also almost similar to discounting of bills. So they are basically bills of exchange, are negotiable instruments drawn by seller of goods. So it is given by the seller of goods or services on the buyers of the goods for the value of goods delivered, right? So supposing A is selling some good, say apples. A apples na sell ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? B person. Okay, supposing A is selling this goods called apples to B, right? So B will make payment of apple in commercial bill, right? In this form, commercial bill or bills of exchange. So in this way, A will get a bill of exchange, which the A can take it to bank and get that money from bank of the value what is written on this bill, right? So this is also one way of making payment. So these trade bills, this is basically a trade bill also. We can also call it as trade bills, are called commercial bills. These bills are called trade bill. You can make a note of it. Commercial bills are also called as trade bills. Trade alli iduna use ಮಾಡೋದು bill, trade bills, right? Commercial bill or trade bill, right? So example is this: A apple sell ಮಾಡೋದು, B is purchasing this apple and making a payment of apples in terms of bills of exchange, right? Or commercial bills. So these trade bills are called commercial bills when they are accepted by commercial banks. So basically, who accept them? That is, commercial banks will accept them for discounting. If the bill is payable at a future date and the seller needs money immediately, he may approach his bank for discounting the bill. The bank or any other discounting body takes a commission for it. So bank will take some commission for the money which it is giving to the person who's going to the bank with the bill, right? So is this point clear? Commercial bill. Now we have to look, with this we are done with bill market, right? The second component called bill market we have finished, right? Now we have to look at certificates of deposits and commercial papers. See, you must make a note of it. Like, you must understand this, that commercial bills are different from commercial papers. Commercial bills ಮತ್ತೆ commercial papers ಅಲ್ಲಿ difference ಇದೆ. Okay, please do understand this. Now we have to discuss, so far we have seen commercial bills. Now we have to discuss commercial papers and certificates of deposits, right? Now we'll look at commercial papers first so that the difference will be clear. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ certificates of deposits na ನೋಡೋಣ. Commercial papers. Yeah, here is the commercial papers. Commercial papers. So this is the third component. You can take it as third component under bill market. Okay. So commercial papers is a short-term unsecured promissory note issued by top-rated corporates, primary dealers, satellite dealers. I'm sorry. I don't know why these days this network is giving up. Okay, commercial papers. We were discussing about commercial papers. So it is a short-term unsecured promissory note. It is unsecured. You must remember that. There's not much security here. And it is again of short-term. Period is short-term promissory note. That is a paper again. Promissory note one paper ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದು or any corporates, whoever is issuing this, they will make a promise that you will get this value at the maturity of it. So ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ 1000 ರೂಪಿ. ಸೊ 1000 ರೂಪಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ at a maturity of 1 year. 1 year ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಂದ 1 year ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 year ಆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ 1000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸರಿ ನೋಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬೈ ಟಾಪ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್ corporates companies ಎಲ್ಲ issue ಮಾಡೋದು. Primary dealers and satellite dealers, all these people are issuing, and the all India financial institution. So all India government financial institutions are also issuing these commercial papers. So commercial papers can be issued for maturities between time period minimum of 7 days, right? 7 days in the and a maximum of 1 year. See here, 1 year is the maximum time, right? Money market ali maximum time 1 year, but minimum time can vary according to different components. Illa components ali minimum time vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ, if you can recall, notice money 14 days the time period ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. So this is how the time is varying. Here in under commercial papers it is 7, minimum is 7 days, in the it is 1 year of time, right? From the date of issue. This instrument ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು 1 year time period you need to calculate, right? 1 year or 7 days to 1 year, right? However, the maturity date of commercial papers should not go beyond the date up to which the credit rating of the issuer is valid. Commercial papers can be issued in denomination of 5 lakhs or multiple. So money ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 lakh or multiples of their own. So basically they deal with 5 lakh, minimum 5 lakhs or multiples of 5 lakhs, right? So features, features of these papers: corporates having tangible net worth. So I'll tell you what is the meaning of this word tangible. Tangible net worth of not less than 4 crores can issue them. Tangible andre something which can be seen, a asset which can be seen and touched. Okay, for example, a property, a building you're holding, right? So these are all tangible assets you have, right? And there is something called intangible as well. There's tangible and intangible. Intangible is something which cannot be touched, which cannot be felt, like it is not a material asset. Example can be your talent, your skills, your computer skills, your technology skills, okay, your communication skills. All these are intangible wealth, right? So here corporates having tangible net worth, tangible wealth of not less than 4 crores. It should be more 4 crores or more than 4 crores can only issue them, right? Then all commercial papers or CPs require credit rating from a credit rating agencies. Credit rating tumba important, okay? This is compulsory. Rating from credit rating agencies, right? They should have this ratings. Then minimum amount invested by single investor is rupees 5 lakh. Minimum helidini 5 lakh, and maximum can be there's no maximum, like 5 lakh and more than 5 lakh in 5 lakh multiples, right? CPs or commercial papers are issued at discount to face value, right? They are always, any papers or any bill is always issued at discount. Then only people can make profit out of it, right? So 1000 rupee bill idre or paper idre aduna ಈ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ less than 1000. For example, it can be 900, okay? 900 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದು 1000 ರೂಪಿ. So you can get this 1000 rupee at the time of its maturity, right? It can be like 7 days in the 1 year time. So is this point clear? With this, we are done with this commercial papers. Now we have to look at other component of certificate of deposits. Before we move on to that, tell me if this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you haven't made a note of it, you can just make a note of this. think for today the time is up. We will just look at the certificates of deposits. It Madi. We'll end up the class. Next class will okay. The time is also up. Yeah, we'll quickly finish off the certificates of deposits, and then after next class, only balance sheets of commercial banks na nodan. Okay. So the fourth component and last component is certificates of deposits. You can make a note of it. Certificates of deposit is issued by scheduled commercial banks. Again, banks are issuing this. Banks and along with banks, financial institutions are also issuing it. Banks mate commercial banks mate financial institutions, right? Financial institutions. One thing you must make a note here is regional rural banks and local area bank cannot issue. Who cannot issue? Regional rural bank. Rural area ಅಲ್ಲಿ regional banks ಇರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ local area banks. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. So who can issue it? It is commercial banks and financial institutions. Who cannot issue it are regional rural banks and local area banks. They cannot issue it, right? This should be clear. Now, certificate of deposits is a negotiable promissory note and is secure. So you must remember this. It is secured again. And promissory note, I've told you, negotiable. It can be negotiated among the parties, two parties, right? This is a negotiable promissory note and is secure. A certificate of deposit is issued at a discount. Again, it is also issued at discount as like any other component of money market, right? Issued at a discount to face value. It can be like discount allu kodbodu illa andre face value andre ಬಿಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ 1000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1000 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, it can be either less than 1000 or at 1000 as well. Okay, face value is this, whatever is written on this paper, right? That is called as face value. Discount andre idರಲ್ಲಿ discount ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So if you are given discount, then you can make more profit. Face value andre profit ಇರಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, right? Face value, the discount rate being negotiated between the issuer and the investor. Discount ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು they can make some negotiation and come to a conclusion, right? They can decide it among themselves, right? The maturity period, now you should make a note of something here is the maturity period. Maturity period of certificate of deposits issued by banks should not be less than 15 days. See, it should not be less than 15 days and not more than 1 year. That means more than 15 days and less than 1 year, right? 15 days in the 1 year work. Maturity 15 days to 1 year. See, the time period is again changing. So basically the difference among all these components is the time period. So here it is 15 days in the 1 year, right? Maturity 15 days to 1 year, right? The financial institutions can issue certificate of deposits for a period not less than 1 year and not exceeding 3 years from the date of issue. But the financial institutions can issue this for 1 year and not exceeding. So there is one exception here. They can issue it for the period of 1 year to 3 years from the date of issue. I think that's it. More than this is not amount. Yeah, amount we'll look at minimum deposits. 1 lakh in the multiples of 1 lakh. So minimum amount is 1 lakh. 1 lakh to multiples of 1 lakhs, right? So that's it. This is what you have to look for under certificates of deposits. So with this, we are done with all the components of this money market, right? So you can get a 6-mark question on this topic. So 4 components. One is call money, bill market. Bill market only 2 subcomponents. Those are commercial bills and treasury bills. The third component is certificates of deposits, and the fourth one is commercial papers, right? So we saw call money or notice money. It is also called as notice money. A little difference between the call and notice money is that notice money andre minimum of 14 days. Maximum of 14 days. 1 day in the 14 days vargu idre aduna notice money antivi. Otherwise it is call money, right? And no collateral is required here, right? Then bill market. Under bill market, 2 subcomponents, that is treasury bill and the commercial bill. So we saw treasury bill is actually of 1 year of time period. Then 3 types irutte treasury bills ali. One is 91 days, the other one is 182 days or 6 months, 91 days or 3 months, and 364 days or 1 year, right? And it is always issued by Government of India or central government. State government is not supposed to issue them. They do not have this power of issuing these bills, right? They are issued at discount and are redeemed at par. That is, I've told you how they are issuing it at discount. Discount in the 25,000 kinta kadime, right? And the minimum amount is 25,000, right? Then after multiples of 25,000. Maximum it can go to all the multiples of 25,000, right? Then we looked at commercial bills, right? Okay, commercial bills. The second subcomponent of bill market. Commercial bill, and it's almost like discounting of bills, right? So it is also called as trade bills, right? I gave you example how it is used in trade. A selling apple, B buying it and making payment in the form of bills, right? Then we also saw the commercial papers. We saw how commercial paper is different from commercial bills, right? So commercial paper is actually a short-term unsecured promissory note. It is issued by top-rated corporates. It is issued by top-rated corporates, primary dealers, satellite dealers, and also governments, financial institutions, all India financial institutions, right? Time period, 7 days in the 1 year, right? It is 7 days to 1 year. 7 days to 1 year, right? Then money is 5 lakh or multiples of 5 lakhs, right? The features are that only corporates having tangible net worth of more than 4 crore. 4 crores or more than it can issue them. Then credit rating compulsory really. Then the amount is 5 lakhs or multiple of 5 lakhs, and it is issued at discount to face value. Discount in the face value. Then we saw the certificates of deposits, the fourth component. Idrally time period, 15 days in the 1 year, right? Again, it is issued by commercial banks and financial institutions, but regional rural banks and local area banks cannot issue them, right? Who cannot issue it? Regional rural banks and local area banks cannot issue them.